Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to insert multiple rows in Google Sheets. Now we have a couple of rows right here, as you can see. Now what we can do is we can go to row 2 and let's say we want one row above and one below. So what we can do is we can go right click, go here or here, right? We want insert one row above, or we can go again back to the 3 and then one row below, right? So this will have, we have two rows right now, right? Now, if let's say we want to select, row number 3 and we also want row number 6, right? We can't actually do it, right? So we can't actually go and we can't actually insert rows. So what we can do is we can go to row number 5, let's say row number 5, right? And we want to make it one row above, right? And we want to also do this on row number 9. So what we can do is we can click F4 and this will basically repeat the action, right? And if we spam F4, we will basically get more and more rows, right? Or this actually just repeats the latest action you did, right? So for example, if I go on number 6, if I go one row below, if I go to house, and or for example to car, and if I type F4, right, I'll get below rows like that. So this is basically how to insert multiple rows at the same time in Google Sheets. Now these are basically all the things that you need to know to insert multiple rows in Google Sheets.